naman ko. I like your kilay. Thanks. You know why I sometimes don't want my bangs? Because hindi nakikita. Like, hello. I have kilay. Saging, saging, mangga, mangga, papaya, papaya. AJ, low-rise jeans looks better on you than high-waist. I agree, bruh. I agree. That's why I always wear low-rise jeans. Like this one. Kami yung body goals ko na si Miss Nadine Lustre. Like, I wanna be like her. I saw you last time pero nahiya ako. Bakit ka nahuya? I was a ghost. Kinalanta na guys nila ang golden. And everyone, walang mali sa pag-lower key. Okay? Singing is about emotion. Singing is about the message. It's not about how high or how low. It's about the beauty of singing. So, people who throw rocks or people who crucify singers who does lower key, bro, y'all just don't know the struggle, and not everyone has the same vocal strength and vocal capacity. Like, may ibang alto, may mga sopranos, may mga mezzos, may mga contralto na it's really impossible for them to reach certain notes. Baka maban ka. Eh? So guys, that's an amazing AJ, as in, basta yung tatlo kumanta ng Golden na nagkaroon ng live. Slay, slay, slay. I was a ghost, I was alone. Ha, Dujin. Ha, we so gay. Giving the throne, I didn't know how to believe I was the queen that I'm meant to be. I lived two lives trying to play both sides. Alam mo ba, may G20 orientation sa klase ko every break time. Ang cute naman nun. Thank you so much. Golden fruit salad. Nabasa ko yan. Ay, napanood ko yan. Nalimutan ko lang, gusto ko kantahin. Pag halu-haluin. Tama ba yun? Ano MBTI mo? I'm INFJ. ABS-CBN Management po ba group nyo? No po. We're from Cornerstone Entertainment. Debate namin tomorrow. Good luck. Sana, wag mo pangunahan. Grabe yung mga kinocosplay niya. May bagay siya na wala ako. Sino si Leah Bear? Hindi ko siya kilala, guys. Ow! Loka ka! Totoo ba? Ano naman. Hi, Ate Perlas. Love you. Miss you. Oh my God! Did you guys have me search? Oh my God! Totoo ba? Hindi naman ata cosplayer yun. Naloka kayo. Pakita kapag di ka busy. Pag di na tayo parehas busy, busy ka din. We! May nagsabi hindi daw. Loka kayo. Pinag-search nyo ako ng hindi pa pwede. Pero maganda siya. Na-search ko siya sa Google. Marami lang locked photos. For some reason. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. Ate, pinangalanan ko kay Ate Alfea yung lalabas. Bakit hindi Alfea AJ Therese? Ay, hindi. Alfea Angel Therese. Oh, para tatlo kami. Yun yung pangalan ng anak ng kapatid mo. Good luck po sa exam, Galiza. Hirap naman ko pansin sa inyo, ma'am. Hoy, kaniyo ka talaga. Pinag-search nyo ako ng bad, no? Pinag-search nyo ako ng bad, no? Wala ko kabalo kung sino man yun. Who's your crush? Madami. What's your skincare routine? My skincare routine is in the morning, just wash your face with water. Then toner, then vitamin C, then niacinamide, then moisturizer, sunblock. Paggabi naman, wash your face, double wash. If nag-makeup kayo, wash with gel, then wash with water-based. Then, toner, salicylic acid, niacinamide, moisturizer. Then, lip balm. Ayun. Ayun yung skincare ko. May balak po ba kayo magdagdag ng member? No, pero magdagdag ng kanta, yes. Anong favorite Bisaya word ko? Bisaya, favorite word. Hindi ko lang kung Bisaya. Dito, Bisaya. It's Ilongga. Tinuod. Tinuod. Amuna. Amuna. Yan. Palagi ko narinig kay mami. Amuna. Tinuod. Tinuod. May balak sila magparami ng bullets. Right! Magdagdag ng bullets, yes. Tinuod! Ganon. Pag kunyari may nagchichismisan, tapos, ano ka, tapos parang nagchismis sa'yo, sabihin mo, tinuod? Gihatag niya ang pating? Kinaon niya ang pating? Tinuod? Ganon. Amo na. Ganon. Yung real color pala ng mata ko, no? Ngani! Grabe naman yun. Hey! Sa Sudan, hinarinig ko rin kay mami. Ano ba yun? Mapachunta ka. Gano. Ay, yun yung favorite phrase ko. Mapachunta ka. Mapachunta ka tala. Mapachunta ka gali. Mapachunta ka gali. And, isa pa, kagahod-gahod man sa imo. Kagahod-gahod. Tapos meron pa, work. Nasudaan mo ang pating. Kihig ug mata ka. Kihig ug mata ko, ah. Bye, guys. Kamustahan lang. Annyeong. Sleep well.